Chapter 1. Learn about map symbols. Lesson 1. Symbols are drawings used to stand for something else. A house drawing is a symbol. Male and female drawing is a symbol. Taxi and bus drawing is a symbol. A dove drawing is a symbol. Zaina and Tamara were asked to draw a symbol for a real house. So Zaina and Tamara are making a drawing of a real house. So their house drawing is called a symbol. What symbol is used for plus or addition? Is it this symbol, this symbol, this symbol, or this symbol? Yes, you are right. Symbols can be used to stand for letters. So the house symbol stands for H. The key symbol stands for K. So H and K are letters. Write the letter of each symbol below. Then read the sentence. These are symbols. Ink stands for I. Love stands for L. 1 stands for O. Vest stands for V. I stands for E. Mouse stands for M. Question mark stands for Y. Sun stands for S. Cat stands for C. House stands for H. 1 stands for O. Again, the same thing. Love stands for L. It should say, I love my school.